Aloha, Weed Bee Nation. This is the Queen Bee coming to you from the Beehive 50 garden. Let's go for a flight. I'm just buzzing around here enjoying these beautiful pink flowers. The Myers lime tree has a beautiful pink and white flower that fills the evening air with sweetness. This beautiful pink and purple flower belongs to the sweet potato vine. Did you know that the leaves of the sweet potato can be steamed and eaten like spinach? They're high in folic acid. These flowers are on the curry spice tree. Soon they'll turn into a seed that will be used to flavor all kinds of food. This tea leaf plant is old enough to grow flowers. The tea leaf plant has many uses throughout Polynesia, such as using it for cooking or making lei. The rose bush is full of flowers and fills the air with a rosy scent. And the anthuriums are popping up to say aloha to the sun. And here we have a bush that's in the hibiscus family. What a beautiful yellow flower. The aloe vera plant is beginning to flower, and that's a sign that we are close to spring. And the palapalai fern growing here is a very important fern in Hawaiian culture used in lei. This is a ponytail palm with a cactus growing up, and around the tree. We'd be so delighted that you took some time to smell the flowers and take a flight with me through the garden. Until the next time we meet, this is Queen Weed Bee buzzing from the land of double rainbows, bidding you all a fond aloha. If you're enjoying the videos, please hit the like button and subscribe for future videos. Ask a question or leave a comment. Most importantly, have a day filled with aloha.